si Erica, yung contribution ng team namin is solid. So, enjoy ng konti. Gusto ko pa isang game pa, doon kami mag-focus.
Thank you, Coach. And for Erica, you had 38 points in this game. What's your thoughts on how you performed against Signal?
I'm just happy we won, honestly. I kind of just go out there and I focus on doing my job and whatever I can do to help the team. So today, yeah, I think I scored some points and luckily we ended up with a win. But I think it really was a team effort and I was just focused on doing what I could to help the team.
Thank you. And for Pons, naka-28 points na tonight against Signal. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance mo at ng performance ng team?
Una-una sobrang saya kasi na-survive namin itong game na to. And yun, sobrang team effort din talaga. Ayaw din talaga bumigay lahat kahit last one na lang yung Signal. Nakafocus pa rin kami dun sa every point. Hindi kami nag-give up talaga. And yes, that is it.
And for MG, you guys are back in the reinforced finals after 5 years. How does it feel to be able to secure this win?
Super happy because of how we won. Talagang message din talaga sa amin ng manager namin, si Sir Alan. Sabi niya, the toughest battles are given to the toughest warriors. So I think today talagang tinest yung puso talaga namin. And you know, coming into the championship, kailangan nandun talaga yung puso ng champion. So happy na napagdaanan namin to and we were able to experience this. This makes us really one team. And at least talagang buo yung loob namin pagpasok ng finals.
Thank you.
For MG, as isa sa mga leaders ng team, kumbaga paano mo lang din minotivate yung teammates mo, lalo na nung down kayo nung 2 sets and even nga nung nung third?
Sobrang laking challenge talaga today because sa start talaga ng game, para rin talaga ako nawawala. Sorry talaga, coach. Pero andun yung effort pero hindi talaga makakonvert. But andun nga sabi talaga ni coach kung saan ka talaga makaka-contribute in whatever way you can, whether it's a serve, a dig, or a block. Talagang kailangan, bigay mo lang talaga yung best mo for the...
Yun, sobrang saya nga kasi una na panalo namin itong game na to. Sobrang hirap talaga bago namin nakuha yung game na to. Grabe din talaga yung nilaro ng Signal. Sobrang binigay din nila talaga lahat. And thank God na kami yung nakapanalo ngayon. And yun, sobrang
saya.
Hey. Coach, nung nag-0-2 kayo dito sa game, parang bilang napagdaanan mo na po yung mga pre-line teams through the series. Now, may any point po ba na nag-doubt ka kung makakapag-comeback yung pre-line or alam mong deep within na kaya-kaya naman gawin?
Siyempre, number 1 is mag-focus na kami dun sa situation na sa third set. Lagi ko ngayon sinasabi sa team na huwag tindihin yung set. Yung kada situation na point yung mag-focus kami. So, nitiwala talaga ako sa team namin na makakabalik. Sana wag na mahulog. So, it's a team effort talaga. Yung situation, yun yung magaling ang frame line.
And for MG, you were part of the last Reinforced Conference champion team of Greenline 2018, and every championship team is on the follow. So now in 2024, what will it take for Greenline to win again this time and possibly for the 9th time as PBL champion?
We just have to work harder, we have to work together, we have to really play as one team, follow our system, follow our coaches, and never lose faith. And really work hard. We have 1 day to practice, 1 day to focus on our next opponent, which is Akari, and 1 day to also correct our mistakes today and to get our game plan ready for Monday.
And for Erica, you talked about playing in a big crowd. The last time you were here, it was an even bigger and louder crowd tonight. So I guess are you getting used now to the feeling of playing for such a huge crowd with so many Greenline?
Siyempre lagi talaga is mag-contribute para sa team. Pag nasa harap ako, kanina maganda rin, number 1 blocking team din yung Signal, so maganda rin yung blocking sila, so hindi agad-agad nakakapuntos. Basta pag sa likod ako, iniisip ko lang, papasa ako ng maayos, didepensa ako para sa mga teammates ko na nasa harap. So ayoko lang din talaga na magpabagsak ng bola basta-basta sa likod. Parang masyado kong ina-enjoy yung role ko sa likod.
for Erica, first final appearance for you as well. Just how blessed are you to see how far you've grown and with the team, especially since you came off your first opening day with a loss.
Yeah, I think I've grown a lot as a player and just with this team. I'd say I think we found our group after that first game, and we were just able to figure out how to work together. And I think what makes Creamline special is, like we're not focused on one person. We're not just one person, offensive heavy. Kylie does a great job of distributing the ball, so I think that all of our hitters are threats, and that's something that puts a lot of pressure on the other team. So I think, especially in that first game, I remember the first practice back, I think we focused on just the simple balls, getting Kylie a good pass so that she can get our middles involved, run the offense pin to pin, and yeah, just making sure that we have all of our hitters involved in our offense. I think that's a big change from the first loss to today.
This is for MG. So, just building off an earlier question kanina, you were one of the holdovers from the last Force Conference Championship. So, I guess in your perspective po, can you talk us through kung paano yung fit ni Erica sa inyo, like how well she fits into Creamline, from the culture to the system?
When Coach Sherwin always says that Erica is really a team player and that she fits our system well because she just does her best to contribute, and she is also happy when she plays, and she has that good vibes that we always need to be part of the Creamline Cool Smashers, and she has the heart, and that's what we enjoy about her playing inside the court. She never gives up. She's always there to help the team, and that's what Creamline is all about. It's